Number 1. A shooting star is really a blank, passing through the Earth's atmosphere. A. Collection of dark matter. B. Ball of burning gases. C. Meteoroid. D. Dense patch of solar wind.
Letter C, meteoroid.
Number 2. What is the purpose of sphygmomanometer? To measure blood pressure. B. To measure hypertension. C. To measure body temperature. D. To measure heartbeat.
Letter A, to measure blood pressure.
Number 3. The Amazon River flows into which body of water? A. The Atlantic Ocean. B. Lake Huron. C. The Pacific Ocean. D. The Ionian Sea.
Letter A, the Atlantic Ocean.
Number 4. The Great Victoria Desert is located in which country? A. USA. B. Egypt. C. Australia. D. Mexico.
Letter C, Australia.
Number 5. Which of the following is not a type of forest? A. Tropical dry. B. Aqueous arboreal. C. Sparse trees and parkland. D. Temperate needleleaf.
Letter B, aqueous arboreal.
Number 6. Taiga forests are characterized by which type of trees? A. Maidenhairs. B. Coniferous. C. Deciduous. D. Cycads.
Letter B, coniferous.
Number 7. What is the largest desert in South America? A. The inexistent desert. B. The Patagonian desert. C. The Mount Desert. D. The Peruvian desert.
Letter B, the Patagonian desert.
Number 8. All of the following are types of flatlands that are not called plains, except A. Playas. B. Marshes. C. Steppes. D. Swamps.
Letter C, steppes.
Number 9. The Gobi Desert lies on the border of which two countries? A. China and India. B. Russia and Kazakhstan. C. Mongolia and China. D. India and Pakistan.
Letter C, Mongolia and China.
Number 10. At what speed does the Earth travel as it orbits the Sun? A. 60 km per second. B. 50 km per second. C. 30 km per second. D. 70 km per second.
Letter C, 30 km per second.
Number 11. What is the most abundant gas in our atmosphere? A. Nitrogen. B. Helium. C. Hydrogen. D. Argon.
Letter A, nitrogen.
Number 12. What is the average diameter of the Earth? A. 57,341 km. B. 20,489 km. C. 6,530 km. Or D. 12,742 km.
Letter D, 12,742 km.
13. Lake Baikal can be found in which country? A. Russia. B. China. C. Bangladesh. D. Romania.
Letter A, Russia.
14. The ozone layer is located in which level of the atmosphere? A. Exosphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Troposphere.
Letter C, stratosphere.
The solar terminator or twilight zone refers to what? A. An asteroid belt. B. A dense band of dark matter. C. The line between day and night. D. The edge of a black hole.
Letter C, the line between day and night.
16. Which effect causes the sky to appear blue to us? A. The Coriolis effect. B. The greenhouse effect. C. Rayleigh scattering. D. The placebo effect.
Letter C, Rayleigh scattering.
17. Approximately how old is the planet Earth? A. 4.5 billion years. B. 65.4 billion years. C. 1.2 trillion years. D. 769 million years.
Letter A, 4.5 billion years.
18. On what date each year is the closest to the Sun, also referred to as the Earth's perihelion? A. August 8th. B. January 3rd. C. December 30th. D. June 11th.
Letter B, January 3rd.
19. Robert Edwin Perry claimed to be the first person to reach what location? A. The Moon. B. The North Pole. C. The Marianas Trench. D. The summit of Mount Everest.
Letter B, North Pole.
20. In August 1500, Diogo Diaz discovered an island that he named St. Lawrence. Today, that island is called A. Hawaii. B. Cuba. C. Greenland. D. Madagascar.
Letter D, Madagascar.
21. The consumption of beef is strictly forbidden by A. Judaism. B. Islam. C. Hinduism. D. Catholicism.
Letter C, Hinduism.
22. Washing soda is the common name for A. Sodium carbonate. B. Calcium bicarbonate. C. Sodium bicarbonate. D. Calcium carbonate.
Letter A, sodium carbonate.
23. The hardest substance available on Earth is A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Platinum.
Letter C, diamond.
24. Reading of a barometer going down is an indication of A. Snow, B. Storm, C. Intense heat, D. Rainfall.
Letter D, rainfall.
A chronometer measures A. Color contrast, B. Sound waves, C. Time, D. Water waves.
Letter C, time.
26. Fathom is the unit of A. Sound, B. Depth, C. Frequency, D. Distance.
Letter B, depth.
27. Nuclear fission is caused by the impact of A. Neutron, B. Proton, C. Deuteron, D. Electron.
Letter A, neutron.
28. When a gas is turned into a liquid, the process is called A. Condensation, B. Evaporation, C. Deposition, D. Sublimation.
Letter A, condensation.
29. Which of the following parts of the sun is easily visible only during a total solar eclipse? A. Core, B. Photosphere, C. Sunspots, D. Corona.
Letter D, corona.
30. The fastest running terrestrial animal is A. Cheetah, B. Lion, C. Man, D. Jaguar.
Letter A, cheetah.
31. Which prefix is often used with scientific terms to indicate that something is the same, equal, or constant? A. Iso, B. Mega, C. Meta, D. Quasi.
Letter A, iso.
32. Cystitis is the infection of which of the following? A. Liver, B. Urinary bladder, C. Pancreas, D. Lung.
Letter B, urinary bladder.
33. Yeast used in making bread is A. Fungus, B. Plant, C. Bacteria, D. Seed.
Letter A, fungus.
34. Titan is the largest natural satellite of planet. A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Saturn, D. Neptune.
Letter C, Saturn.
35. The marine animal called dugong, which is vulnerable to extinction, is A. Amphibian, B. Bonyfish, C. Shark, D. Mammal.
Letter D, mammal.
36. The disease dyspepsia affects A. Lungs, B. Intestine, C. Throat, D. Body joints.
Letter C, throat.
37. The animal which uses sounds at its eyes is A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Snake, D. Bat.
Letter D, bat.
38. Silk is produced by A. Egg of silkworm, B. Pupa of silkworm, C. Larva of silkworm, D. Insect itself.
Letter C, larva of silkworm.
39. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K.
Letter B, vitamin C.
40. Which of the following planets rotates clockwise? A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Venus, D. Mercury.
Letter C, Venus.
41. Water boils at a lower temperature in the hills because A. It is cold in the hills, B. There is less carbon dioxide in the hills, C. There is a decrease in air pressure in the hills, D. There is less oxygen.
Letter C.
42. In the human body, corpus glands form a part of which one of the following? A. Digestive system, B. Endocrine system, C. Reproductive system, D. Nervous system.
Letter C, reproductive system.
43. In normal adult human, what is the rate of heartbeat per minute? A. 72 to 80, B. 70 to 75, C. 80 to 97, D. 82 to 87.
Letter A, 72 to 80.
43. Second B. The weight of an object will be minimum when it is placed at A. The North Pole, B. The South Pole, C. The equator, D. The center of the earth.
Letter D, the center of the earth.
44. Regular intakes of fresh fruits and vegetables is recommended in the diet since they are a good source of antioxidants. How do antioxidants help a person maintain health and promote longevity? A. They activate the enzymes necessary for vitamin synthesis in the body and help prevent vitamin deficiency. B. They prevent excessive oxidation of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the body and help avoid unnecessary wastage of energy. C. They neutralize the free radicals produced in the body during metabolism. D. They activate certain genes in the cells of the body and help delay the aging.
Letter D.
45. The 2004 tsunami made people realize that mangroves can serve as a reliable safety hedge against coastal calamities. How do mangroves function as a safety hedge? A. The mangrove swamps separate the human settlements from the sea by a wide zone in which people neither live nor venture out. B. The mangroves provide both food and medicines which people are in need of after any natural disaster. C. The mangrove are tall with dense canopies and serve as an excellent shelter during a cyclone or tsunami. D. The mangrove trees do not get uprooted by storms and tides because of their extensive roots.
Letter C.
46. Most commercial nuclear power plants worldwide are cooled by A. Sodium, B. Mercury, C. Helium, D. Water.
Letter D. Water.
47. Plants get their nitrogen from A. Rain, B. The soil, C. The air, D. The bedrock.
Letter B. The soil.
48. Which is the longest? A. Kilometer, B. A centimeter, C. A decameter, D. A tetrameter.
Letter D. A tetrameter.
49. Which is the largest blood vessel in the body? A. Alveoli, B. Artery, C. Aorta, D. Vein.
Letter C. Aorta.
Last number. 50. What is a young horse called? A. Colt, B. Filly, C. Foal, D. Hack.
Letter C. Foal.